In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a conversation in the Meta AI app. If you want to clean up your chat history, remove an old conversation, or simply keep your app organized, this process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through it slowly so it's easy to follow on your mobile device. To begin, open the Meta AI app on your phone or tablet. If the app asks you to sign in first, go ahead and log into your account before continuing. Make sure you're on the main screen where your recent chats or conversation list appears, because that's where you'll be able to manage existing conversations. Next, find the conversation or chat that you want to delete. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct one, especially if you have several chats with similar topics. This helps avoid removing the wrong conversation by mistake. Once you've found the chat you want to remove, tap and hold on that conversation. In some versions of the app, instead of pressing and holding, you may need to tap the menu icon connected to that chat. The exact layout can vary slightly depending on your device or app version, but the goal is the same. Open the options for that specific conversation. When the menu appears, look for the delete option. It may be labeled delete conversation, delete chat, or something similar. Tap that option to continue. At this stage, the app will usually ask you to confirm your choice, since deleting a conversation is typically permanent and removes it from your visible history. Go ahead and confirm the deletion when prompted. After that, wait a few moments while the app processes your request. In most cases, this only takes a second or two, but it can vary depending on your device and connection. Once the deletion is complete, the conversation should no longer appear in your chat list. That's the main sign that the process works successfully. If you still see the chat, give the app a moment to refresh and check again. If you want to delete more than one conversation, simply repeat the same process for each chat you want to remove. And if you ever want to talk to Meta AI again after clearing old chats, you can start a brand new conversation at any time by opening a new chat and entering your prompt. And that's all it takes to delete a conversation in the Meta AI app.